Hey guys, David Wood from Focus.ceo here with a sneak preview of what you're going to get in the upcoming webinar. The webinar is designed to help you double your revenue and your time off over the next 12 months. I'll tell you at least 3 awesome takeaways that you'll enjoy in this webinar. One, we're actually going to create metrics for you right there on the webinar. So you'll have your pen out, you'll be writing down, we'll be setting revenue targets, setting time off targets, setting other targets, because that's the first step to being super motivated and super productive. The second big takeaway is we're going to look at your funnel and see where it might be broken. And in particular, I will help you create caveman messaging. If you don't have caveman messaging, all of your marketing efforts get so difficult and so expensive. Once you have a crystal clear message that a caveman can understand and can grunt, everything gets so much easier. We're going to do that hands-on in the webinar. And the third thing, I really want you to leverage your time. So you are going to walk away clear at what you love to do and are great at, and the stuff that you are no longer going to do, so that you can build a team that handles all that stuff for you. So those are 3 sneak previews for the webinar coming up. The countdown is on. It's happening very soon. Please be on time. I don't want you to miss any of it. And I look forward to seeing you on the webinar. See you soon.